the fastest speed so far. Pretty respectable speed, but you know, here he comes. He's coming in, not going super quick. Ooh, here he comes coming in quick. Have ourselves a new leader at 59 miles an hour. 59 miles an hour. Good job. Who's next? At the speeds he can get. Alright, here he goes. He's going down so he can come back. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is it. Here it comes through. You're going to see how quick he can go. That was quick. How fast was that? 53 miles an hour. Are you next? Alright. Coming in. He's also Tuscola, buddy. Look at that thing down there. Nice. That first pass. Now he's going for. Here he comes for his second pass. 45. 45. Alright, so we got Brian up now. You can do with the sonicwake. He's taking it slow on his way out there. How fast is he going to be on his way back? Comes in the sonicwake. How fast was that? 33 miles an hour. There comes in. Nice. What's your name, bud? You got Nick here with another sonicwake. Do you think you'll be faster than him? No idea? You think the flag helped him or hurt him? We'll find out. Is your boat stopped? That's stopped too, so. Alright. Here he goes out. Let's see what he can do. We just had another sonicwake. Let's see what he can do with this boat. This will be pretty cool. Here it comes in for his pass. Let's see how quick he can go. Oh, he's up, running pretty fast. 52.7, 52.7. You guys coming in? Here it comes. Nice fast pass, nice fast pass.
52.7 best.
52.7. Inception. Let's see what you can do with this. How fast do you think you'll go? You think 30? Are you shooting low? Are you saying bagging? Are you saying for his pass? Here he comes in. Nice pass. And for a second pass. Nice. Nice and quick. Here comes in quick. That boat is wiggling. Good pass. Good pass. 33. Let's see what he can do next time.